No.
So
the wheels will get stuck on
I'm
rocks.
throwing it into the wind, so I'll throw it that way.
Yeah.
Yeah. Watch out, boys.
Duck.
Throw it all. Could go anywhere.
That's pretty far away.
The wind just grabs it. Oh!
Maybe your car insurance is current.
Oh! Is that a flip? I thought you flipped it. Gee, it glides downwind well, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, no. You'd almost get it to hover, couldn't you? That's just gliding.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
There we go. We lost him.
Zoom out.
It is.
That's struggling. Yeah, that's not full throttle. If I go full, it'll just go straight up. But there's a lot of wind.
That's just gliding.
Yeah, it kind of looks like a bird a bit.
John needs to land. Stop.
Yeah, chop.
Uh-oh.
Oh, there's one.
Oh, no!
Where is it?
It's just coming back up. Turn left, turn left. All right, floor it.
Did you hear that?
You titled it.
Oh no. Is that even there?
Oh, no.
Oh no, that's busted.
Wait, leave it.
Just let it. Hey, put it down. Oh, no.
Scene of a massive airplane crash.
Oh, that's stuffed. Oh.
Straight into the fence, eh?
It's not good.
All 25 passengers were not found.
He did, because it turned and it turned left and then you floored it and it ducked and came back around.
It got the wind.
How do you feel about crashing your airplane there?
So did it slice on the fence?
Not happy, Jan.
Look.
Yeah.
Wait, just do the servo still work? So the motor's still fine, what about the... Yeah, see, it's fine, they've just ripped off.
Yeah.
How much does a new wing and
I don't know, you can get them.
thing cost?
Probably do it
Like
yourself.
cardboard.
Yeah, you can buy them all.
Oh, that wrecked our fun. Propellers.
I just lost it. That
So
wind
did that
grabbed
go
it.
through trees and hit the
No,
fence?
so like
Nah,
you banked left and then you floored it and the wind just brought it around and then you just came full speed just coming down like that and it didn't pull
I
up.
couldn't see a thing.
Spewing.
I knew it would happen someday.
So the motor's still fine though.
Oh, is that?
Like a helicopter.
Hover.
I don't want it to come off.
Let's put the wings back on, or half the wing. Tape it up.
Wow. See, the servo's been ripped off and the wings snapped clean.
That's the rotor. Well, if you're going to do it well.
Spewing.
There's another part behind you as well.
It's got a fair bit of force, doesn't it? I need cooling down.
There we go.
No.
Shows over.
So how much do new wings cost? Not that